Hey guys, so I got something. So I'm kind of employed. Well, I'm not employed, but I'm not unemployed. So that's progress, I guess. And I'm happy about it. Also, I stood up for myself, which is amazing. Like I didn't. Someone thought I was going to be desperate, and I wasn't. Yeah. So yeah, let's talk about that. As I clean, yeah.
Like I said, I recently got a job. But right before that happened, I was presented with two choices, a choice between myself and a possibility for career. Keyword possibility, and I knew right then and there that I had to choose myself. I was looking for quote unquote something to do, volunteer, and during that process, I felt disrespected. I was made to wait like most government offices for hours. No communication, only to be asked to go back the next day. And that to me felt like disrespect to who I am as a person and my time. So I said I wasn't going to go back there. And I didn't care what would have come from persevering. Maybe I would have gotten a career, maybe not. I don't think I was willing to find out. To someone else, this may seem like something little, or that's just how things are, or someone may say that I am overreacting, or that I need to come back down to reality. Lakini sishuki, sikuji reality. But anyway, I made a point to always validate my own feelings. They may not be truths, but there's a reason they come up. So, validating them, then rationally thinking about them later to understand them, may give a better reflection of the truth. Truths about what happened and truths about who you are. And from there, you can make a decision about how to move forward. And that's exactly what happened. You know, when you are unemployed, a lot of things may feel invalidating. The main one being not having a job, because you begin to think, well, is it that I'm not good enough? Is it that I chose the wrong career path? All you may see when you look around you may just be invalidation, and I think it's so important that you find ways to validate yourself.
Unja kulia hapo unichafulie. Si nimekwambia nakuja kulia sitachafua. Chukua sahani. Alafu sasa hivi kuna dust. Toka nimalize kufagia alafu uje. Hii dust itaingia kwa chai. Sasa niweke ndani. Itaingia kwa chai.
To validate how you feel, to validate who you are, to validate your strengths. And when you choose yourself, you validate yourself. And when you do, your perception changes, your environment changes, and better things will eventually find you. So choose you.
Hiyo tulikuwa tunamwogopa tukiwa na Mungai.
Alikuwa anataka aje bwana?
Mdogo.